doing a great job for us. And we have food there. That's not what I'm reading what they said right here. Pop chips. She said pop chips. See? Okay. Alright. Crooked Kitchen is on board today and Top Ice Cream. Alright. Top's Ice Cream is here. Alright. Glad you brought your pets. Make sure you go inside the service garage. Meet all the animal rescue groups and the vendors. A lot of great puppies in there. A lot of kittens too. Alright. Also make sure you visit the Partners of Paws table for their Ray Dunn pottery sale and Partners of Paws new t-shirt off a homeless animal in and around Lorain County. 50-50 tickets are 1 for $1, 6 for $5, 15 for $10, 35 tickets for $20. Also, raffle basket tickets, those are the orange ones. Well, they get 1 ticket per vehicle. Does everybody have a purple ticket? 1 ticket per vehicle. Okay, here we go. First door prize is a $25 gift card to Home Depot. You got it? We got our winner. Check his number. Going shopping today at Home Depot. That's right. $25 gift card, all right?
Oh, you're okay. Go ahead.
I just want to get out of the way.
No problem.
Oh my God, $1 for I want to buy them some I'll buy the battery for the car, but alrighty, we got our winner. 20. Once again, 50-50 raffle. Tickets are 1 for $1, 6 for $5, 15 for $10, 35 for $20. All right. We got folks walking around selling 50-50, so make sure you stop them and get them. All right. Also, we got raffle tickets. The raffle basket tickets are the orange tickets. All right, so those tickets are 1 for $1, 6 for $5, 15 for $10, 35 for. Visit the Partners with Paws table for their Ray Dunn pottery sale and Partners with Paws new t-shirts. They're only $10. All right, and when you buy a shirt, it helps out a homeless animal in and around Lorain County. Okay, so get your tickets. We got flyers all the way around the van. Make sure you come up and check them out. one up here at the DJ van. All right, so if you want to check it out, all righty. Okay. All right, more door prize tickets dropped in. We like that. We'll be doing another one shortly. Okay. 229 was the last three numbers. Yeah, were 229. Yeah, the gentleman picked up it was a $25 Home Depot card. The next one's going to be a $25 Texas Roadhouse gift card. Another cause for pause at Firelands Chevrolet. Glad you brought your pet along, walking around, having a good time. Check out all the pets inside the service garage, service area there. And there's all kinds of vendors in there. So make sure you go there and check it out. Also, Partners with Paws table, check them out with the Ray Dunn pottery sale, and Partners with Paws, they got their new t-shirts over there, only 10 bucks. Hey, when you buy a shirt, helps out a homeless animal in and around Lorain County. So make sure you go get one, all right? Okay. Tell them Frank sent you. It won't mean nothing, but just tell them.
I didn't have to pay. This is a number matching part number matching that came out of West
purple vehicle, let me know. We got them up here at the DJ van. If you did not get a purple door prize ticket, let me know. We'll get you one. Here we go. The next one, $25 gift card for Texas Roadhouse.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I did,
All
yeah,
up,
I figured
got
it
it.
was
Hey, if you're hungry, we've got the food trucks here today. We have awesome gyros, great food, hot cheese kitchen. They're on board. Excellent food. Griffith Kitchen, great food there, and Tops ice cream, right? Tops ice cream on board. Get yourself something good to eat. Make sure you visit the service garage, meet all the animal rescue groups and vendors, and make sure to visit the Partners in Cause table for the Ray-Gun pottery sale, and Partners in Cause new t-shirts, only $10. So when you buy a shirt, it helps a homeless animal in and around the range, right? Tonight will be a Quaker in Sheffield doing pony cars, featuring pony cars tonight. $85 so far.
Bill.
Also, the way down battery sale.